Why do we get the hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the large muscle at the base of your lungs, suddenly contracts. When this muscle spasms, it makes you take a quick breath in. That breath is suddenly stopped by the closing of your vocal cords, causing the hic sound of a hiccup. That's why people usually tell you to hold your breath to remove it, because it increases the carbon dioxide in your blood and helps calm those diaphragm spasms. Or you could try controlled breathing. Slowly breathe in and out to relax your diaphragm and reset your breathing pattern to stop the hiccups. Many things can trigger hiccups, like eating too quickly, consuming very hot or spicy food, drinking carbonated beverages or alcohol, sudden changes in temperature, or even excitement or stress. Next time you get the hiccups, remember your body is just reacting to something unexpected.